Kids, today we are going to study Chapter 7, Rabbit's Turnip of your English Literature book. So, let's get started. Do you know what a turnip looks like? Turnips are colorful root vegetables that are really good to eat. And you can eat a lot of them because they are good for your health. You can see turnips in this picture. So now let's start the story. It was winter. Rabbit was hopping about in a field. He was looking for something to eat. It is going to snow soon. Rabbit said to himself, I have to find some food. So what happened, students? It is winter time. Just before it begins to snow, all the animals, they are out in search of food. And Rabbit was one of those animals. He was thinking that soon it is going to snow. So he has to find something to eat. Okay, because if snowfall would be there, then it would be difficult for animals to find food. Students, here, hopping about means moving around in short jumps. Okay, hopping is the movement of rabbit. See, this is how a rabbit hops. So he pawed through the field till he found a turnip. Then he found a second one. He took the turnips and hurried home. What he did, he went to search for some food. And he pawed through the field. Pawed means he dig something with his paws. Okay, rabbit, they are having paws, so rabbit was digging with his paws. That means pawed. You can see in the picture how rabbit is pawing. Okay, how rabbit is digging with his paws. And when he pawed in the field, he found a turnip. And then again he found a second turnip. So he was having 2 turnips now. He took those both 2 turnips and he hurried home. Hurried means he moved home quickly. Soon Rabbit was warm, safe and happy. Then he thought about Donkey. Donkey lived alone on a hill. I wonder if Donkey has any food, said Rabbit. So Rabbit, he reached his home and he was very warm in his home. He was feeling very warm. He was feeling safe and he was happy that he found 2 turnips. Suddenly, Rabbit, he started thinking about Donkey. That Donkey lives alone. And Donkey is not having anything to eat. Okay, so he thinks of his friend Donkey, who might not have found anything to eat. So what Rabbit does? Rabbit thinks that he will give 2 turnips to his friend Donkey. I have 2 turnips. I will give 1 to her. So Rabbit slowly rolled a turnip up the hill to Donkey's house. Donkey was not at home. So Rabbit thought of giving one turnip to his friend Donkey. So what he did? He rolled a turnip. Rolled a turnip means he was rolling a turnip, okay? And he was rolling a turnip up the hill to Donkey's house. And when he reached Donkey's house, Donkey was not at home. It was snowing, so Rabbit left the turnip by the door and hopped back home. As you can see in this picture, it was snowing, snowfall was there, and it was really cold. So Rabbit was feeling very cold and he did not want to stand there for a long time. So what he thought? He just left one turnip at Donkey's door, okay? And he hopped back home. Hopped back means he jumped back to his home. After some time, Donkey returned home. She had found a potato for herself. She saw the turnip by the door. Now what happened? Donkey came back home, and when Donkey saw turnip by the door, she thought, why someone has left turnip? I already have found a potato. So Donkey has already found a potato, and he was wondering who has left this turnip on his door. What a lovely surprise, said Donkey. But my potato is enough for me. Goat's always hungry. I should take this to him. Now see the feeling of kindness among animals. Like Rabbit, Donkey also thought about other animal. And who was that other animal? That other animal was Goat. Donkey is saying, though it is a very good surprise, but I am already having a potato and I do not want a turnip because it will be more than enough for me. So what should I do? I will give this turnip to Goat, as Goat is always hungry. Goat must be feeling hungry. So this turnip can be eaten by Goat. Donkey trotted to Goat's house, but he was not there. So Donkey left the turnip by the door and went back home. After that, Donkey trotted to Goat's house. Trotted means he moved faster. Okay? And Goat was not there. So what Donkey did? Donkey also left the turnip by Goat's door, as it was too cold and Donkey couldn't wait. So he left the turnip by the door and he went back to his home. Soon Goat returned home with a cabbage. He saw the turnip by the door. "Dear me," said Goat, "someone has lost a turnip. It must be Deer when she passed this way. I should return this to her." So what happens when Goat returned home? Goat returned with a cabbage. See, Goat was also having food. Goat has also found food to eat. So now Goat thought that this turnip is lost and it must be of Deer. Deer must have lost it when she passed this way. Passed this way means when she walked by this place. So I should return this to her. So Goat thinks of returning this turnip back to Deer. Goat then rolled the turnip to Deer's house, but Deer was not there. So Goat left the turnip by the door and went back home. So Goat also did the same thing like that done by Rabbit and Donkey. Goat also takes the turnip to Deer's house, but Deer also was not there. So Goat left the turnip by his door and goat came back to his house. Deer came home with a carrot she had found. She saw the turnip. "How kind! Someone left me a gift," said Deer. "But there is no need to keep more than I can eat. There is so much snow. I wonder if Rabbit was able to find any food at all. I will give this to him." What happens? Deer comes home with a carrot. She is very surprised to see a gift for her at her door, and that too a turnip. She doesn't want to keep more food than she needs. So she thinks of her friend Rabbit and decides to leave the turnip for him outside his house. Deer walked carefully through the deep, deep snow. Rabbit was at home, but he was asleep. So Deer left the turnip by the door and then trudged back home. The next morning, Rabbit woke up early. He opened the door, and what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. "Now how has this come back to me?" exclaimed Rabbit. Exclaimed means got surprised. And trudged means moved slowly. Okay? So what happens? Deer thinks of her friend Rabbit and she decides to leave the turnip for him outside his house. But Rabbit is asleep. When he wakes up next morning, he finds the same turnip outside his house again. He is surprised and wonders how it got there. Okay? Students, so this was all about the story. Through this story and through its kind and caring characters, the story tells us about the importance of kindness, sharing, and friendship. I hope that you all are also very much kind. You also share with your friends.
Shall we take down your third term 5 subject note and write today's date 23 to 21. Already we finished up to fifth Rome letter, singular plural, isn't it? And now we are going to write the make a sentence, sixth Rome letter. Think, I think I can. I think I can. You have to write in different ideas in your own way. That is, I think, I agree. I have to think. And some more sentences you have to write in your own ideas. Okay, students? But you should think and write. Find. Can you find my pencil? சொன்னாலும் அந்த என்னுடைய பென்சிலை எடுத்து தர முடியுமா, கண்டுபிடிச்சி தர முடியுமா? Can you find my pencil? Otherwise, I find my pencil. Okay. And the third one. Make. My mummy makes a cake. Otherwise, I make a cake. I make a biryani. My mummy makes biryani. Okay, students, like you should write different sentences in your own way. Make. My mummy makes a cake. And the next one. Answer the following. Rome letter, seventh Rome letter. Answer the following. What did the rabbit found in the field? What did the rabbit found in the field? What did the rabbit found in the field? Yes, 2 turnips. Later. So, it is in the answer, in the question also. The rabbit found 2 turnips in the field. After found, you should write just only 2 turnips. So, the rabbit found 2 turnips in the field. Turnips spelling Turnips. 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 The rabbit found 2 turnips in the field. Okay, student. And next one, second question. What did goat do with the rabbit? So, the goat வந்து the turnip என்ன செஞ்சிச்சு? What did goat do with the turnip? What did goat do with the turnip? Goat gave the turnip to deer. Goat gave the turnip to deer, isn't it? And goat gave the turnip to deer, isn't it? And you should write up to second question only. And study thoroughly these two questions. Okay, students? And you should write the third term 5 subject note, sixth Rome letter, and the seventh Rome letter, first two questions only. And this is your assignment work also. Okay, students? Now, students, all of you take down your English book and turn the page number 61. All of you take down the English book and turn the page number 61 and see the first one. Complete these sentences. Rabbit found dash in the field. Rabbit found what? Yes, 2 turnips, isn't it? So you should write 2 turnips. What is the spelling of turnips? Turnips. Rabbit already had a turnip, so he decided to give the dash to his friend Dash. He decided to give the which one? Yes, second turnip, isn't it? So second turnip to where does he give? Yes, to donkey, isn't it? His friend donkey. And write the D for D in the capital letter. Donkey had already found a potato, so she thought of what? What fruit? What vegetables? Yes, sir. What vegetables? He thought of goat, not vegetables, goat. He thought of goat who was always hungry. Yes, he thought of goat who was always hungry. And the fourth one, donkey left the turnip. Donkey left the turnip at dash. Which place? Donkey is at the goat's house, isn't it? Go to the goat's house. So, goat's house. Goat returned home with the dash. Goat having? Yes, goat found one vegetable. What vegetable? With the cabbage. 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 He thought his friend Deer had lost her turnip. He thought his friend Deer had lost her turnip. So, goat left the turnip at Deer's door, but Deer had already found. Yes, Deer has found carrot, isn't it? Carrot, Carrot, carrot for herself. Deer brought the turnip back to where he gave. Yes, to rabbit. And you should write very neatly in the first 5 Phillips, 6th Phillips. Okay, students. And the next one. See the fourth one. But thus, no need to keep more than I can eat, said Deer. This line shows that Deer is, yes, Deer is. There are 4 answers are there. Kind, smart, carry, greedy. And what is the character of Deer? Yes, Deer is very kind nature, isn't it? And also caring. And smart, not at all said this lesson. Greedy means peras. And is the deer is greedy? No. So it is kind and care only. You should tick these 2 boxes only. After that, turn the next page. And the 5th one, C1. Who is the speaker feeling here? Tick the correct one. Who is the speaker feeling there here? And the speaker excitement, anchor, surprise. Yes, the speaker is excitement, anchor, or surprise. Surprise is the correct one, isn't it? So you should tick in the surprise. And the C1, rabbit's turnip is passed around to many animals before it reaches rabbit again. Complete the circle in the order of who finds the turnip. Yes, first of all, rabbit found the turnip, and only one he gave. He had, and another one he gave to his friend. Yes, and who is that friend? Donkey, isn't it? And rabbit gave the turnips to donkey, and donkey gave the turnips to his friend goat, and goat gave the turnips to deer, isn't it? So deer, you should write very neatly. Up to here, this is your assignment work. You should finish the page number 61 and 62. Okay, students, this is your assignment work. Thank you for watching.